And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger. So, guys, it is 6 a.m. in the morning, man. Today is Friday, man. So now I'm in a trade for $120, a solid 120, to see if it'll go to the upside, man, on gold, man. And I'm getting ready to show you guys and what I was doing. Alright, guys, so this is micro gold, man. So I'm going to show you where my entries and stuff is. As you guys can see, I am in a trade, man. And I'm aiming for a I think a 7.5 that'll give me what I made back, what I lost last night and then this morning, and then also a little bit to put me at $1,000. I was at 390 something yesterday, so I'm trying to hit $1,000 today. So the market came down and touched this liquid zone, this blue line down here. Also, I got a trend line going to the downside. So this gives me every indication when there's a wedge going down like this, the market wants to pop out and then shoot up, man. It's like gearing up to do something, man. So that's what I'm looking for. So when it came and touched this trend line, I drew this trend line and then drew this trend line last night. I said, oh, okay. It came, it did touch 1, touch 2, and touch 3. On the third one, you know what I'm saying? What happens when it touch? It goes up. What happens when it touch? It goes up. What happens when it touch? It goes up. And then it just happened to touch this the liquid zone down here. Ended up this happened yesterday, so it touched this liquid zone and it touched the trend line. So when it, you know what I'm saying, that's two confluences together, man. So after it touched this major trend line, I was looking for a setup last night. I was looking for a flag, you know what I'm saying, in the middle to continue up to the upside. And so now this is the trade that I'm in now, man. So I am at where am I currently at, man? Let's see the account summary. So I'm up 24 bucks. Just trying to see where I can get at, man. Yeah, it was at 145.50. So I had lost about 140 some dollars, like I said. But yeah. So this is where I'm at now, guys. So I missed out on that entry right there. Now remember, if we go to the higher time frame, let's go to the 4 hours so we can get the whole overview. We hit that major trend line. This is also like support and resistance. So I drew this blue line out right here because we played in here and then came out of it. And then these liquid zones right here. So my reason for taking this trade is because we hit that major trend line that I talked about, the liquid zone, and then this white line right here. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. After that third touch, I think the market is going to try to go up here and touch this white line. I see that the market is respecting this line. So you see all these touches right here. The market just keep respecting this line right here, man. So my reason for getting in after that didn't work, I said, I believe that the market is going to try to come touch this line again. And that's this morning. Today's news, it's heavy. At 7:30, we got non-farm well, that's employment change. I know non-farm payroll is a huge news, man, but I don't know about this one. It says a red folder. It's huge news, but I'm gonna hold this trade through news, man. I'm gonna just see what's gonna happen, man. I don't know whether it's gonna come touch this blue trend line again, this blue trend line at the bottom right here, and then take off, or it's gonna break out of this trend line and go to the downside. I don't know. I'm just trying to get in on what I'm seeing, man. And I think that after hitting that main touch down here, this main trend line, that the market wants to continue all the way back up to that white trend line. That's what I'm aiming for, and it ain't looking good right now, man. All right, y'all, so check this out. I'm getting ready to go into work right now. I'm like, man, I got 4 phones literally in my pocket right now, man. This is crazy, and I need all of them. So this phone right here is the Samsung Galaxy Fold phone, as you guys can see. Hello. It folds out into a nice big old screen. That's the phone that I trade this Take Profit Trader account with. All right, let's go to the next phone. This is a iPhone 6 Plus, 6S Plus or something like that. It's an old iPhone. So when I FaceTime my wife and my kids and tell them bye, you know what I'm saying, we pray, you know what I'm saying, and watch my little one get dropped off at school, whatever. My wife has an iPhone. All right, so when I try to call them, you know what I'm saying, duo with Android through iPhone, they can't hear me. So I'm like, crap, I got an old iPhone downstairs. Let me use my Wi-Fi hotspot from my other phone, you know what I'm saying, so this can work, so they can hear me good. So when I FaceTime them with the iPhone, they hear me better, and there's no complaints. All right, this phone right here I'm using is the Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. This is my vlogging phone. This is what y'all see when I post videos and stuff and shorts, and my live streams and all that stuff, man, because my computer downstairs doesn't work right now, and my camera was up underwater in the flood, so I need some type of device to record myself and post videos. So I use this phone. Y'all, it ain't over. I got a fourth phone. This phone right here is my main phone. Text messages, emails through my job and stuff like that. Text my wife, my family. So yeah, I got 4 phones on me, man. Crazy, y'all. I literally got 4 phones. There you see it. Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 iPhone. Then what? You got the main phone right here. And then this phone I vlog with. 4 phones in my pocket, man. I look like a whole drug dealer out here, man. So I'm getting ready to go in here to work, y'all. Let's check the market right quick before I go in here. Let's check and see, y'all. Where's this thing at? Hold up, let it load up right quick, y'all. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see it. Uh-oh, we up $50, y'all. So that entry that I went in might have been a good spot, y'all. 617. I'm getting ready to go in here and start filling up fruits and vegetables. Fruit, man. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, man. So guys, I came outside and I'm not liking this. I think I'm finna put it at break even, man. That's not a good sign right there. I do not like that. Yeah, that is not a good sign. So that is a demand zone right there, guys. So we just keep breaking structure. We broke structure up here. We broke structure. It's like all these lines just keep going up. So that's a good indication that it possibly wants to stay up, but I don't like that, man. How you get all the way up there and then come all the way back down? Like, nah, I don't trust that. We're at $40. Man, I keep y'all posted. I don't like that, man. It's back at $56 now. So I got it back. I got it at break even. I didn't like that, man. It was up and then it came all the way back down, bro. So it's moving back up now. Look. But I really want to trust it. I was up 100 and something. Normally when I risk, like whatever I risk and it get to that, I normally put it at break even anyway. So I risked $120 and I was up, what, 130? So I normally put it at break even anyway. You know what I'm saying? You know, why lose when I have the chance to break even? I'll keep y'all posted, man. Alrighty, guys, update, man. That trade did not play out. It came and hit my stop loss, but I'm thinking about getting in because look what happened. It went way below that trend line. News hit at 7:30 and look where it's at now. I'm thinking about getting in like this, man. Really just want to take a shot and see if this worked, man. I'm late on my entry. If I do, that'll be perfect right there. 6 point stop loss. I'm thinking about something like that, man, and then aim for all the way down here. I'm thinking about it. I think I might do this. Because what it did, guys, it came past the trend line and then went right back up to test the trend line, and then it's coming back down. If it come back up there to where I want to place my trade, then I'm going to take it. Come up some more. Come up some more. You know what, boy? Alright, let's go 2 contracts. Let's scoot over, see what it's doing. I think I'm getting ready to, yep, I'm in. I'm going to try it out, man. I'm going to try this out. Sorry about that. I'm in, guys, man. I'm going to just give it a shot and see what's going to happen. I really wanted to come grab that and then go past that and come all the way down, man. That's what I'm looking for. Come on, Gold. Treat your boy right today, man. Come on, Gold. It's working all right so far. Oh, now we putting it at break even. I'm at break even now. So I risked $120 on this trade, guys. Now I'm finna move my stop loss to break even. Hold up, let's do this. We're gonna move that down 2 points. 2, 3. We'll do it on the bottom of that one. Then we're gonna modify order. This is playing out like I wanted to. Okay, Gold. I want you to go all the way down here, man. That's what I would love. I would love that. So what I'm playing my cards right. So whatever I risk, and once the market get to whatever I risk, then I put it at break even, man. It just, you know what I'm saying, helps me to, it helps me, you know what I'm saying. I mean, I'm going to lose, but if I have the option, if I have the option, if I'm risking $120 and it hits for 120, why not move my stop loss to break even? Can I give it enough room? Yes. But the way I normally like to do things, man, is if I see the market coming back and it possibly might come all the way back and stop me out to lose, I could have got out at break even, man. Like, why not do that? So it came and grabbed, the gold came and grabbed this liquid zone right here, and I don't know what it's gonna do, man. Right now it's playing at this liquid zone. I would really love it to pass this liquid zone. That's what I would love. I'm risking $120. So that means once I hit this right here, it'll be $240. So once it hit $240, I'm going to move my stop loss to $120. I think officially we can do it, guys. So let's hit this. We are officially finna move our stop loss at $120, somewhere in there. Modify order. So now, whatever the market does, we've made money. We are taking profit. If the market decides to come back, we taking profit, man. You know what? I'm moving it. I'm not finna play around with this. Alright, so if the market comes stop me out, it's it. Now it's definitely a risk-free trade. If it comes stop me out, I'm done. Yeah, I'm out of there. So that should put the account up. I was aiming for 400. I just want to see what this thing gonna do, man. It might keep tanking, I don't know. But I've made my money back. Alright guys, so update on gold. It was an excellent choice for me to take profit down here. So I was debating on whether the market would keep continuing down to come grab this liquid zone or not. And unfortunately it didn't. So I was debating. My analysis was I didn't know what to do. it kept playing around in rejection in this area. So I was aiming for hold on, let me do this. I was aiming for, I was aiming for all the way down here where that liquid zone is. But I didn't know whether to take profit right there or not, man. So I had set this blue line for my 1 to 2. I risked $120, and by me risking $120, if I would have took profit here, I would make almost $240. So I was like, I don't know if I want to, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to put it there or move it back to my 1 to 1. So my 1 to 1 was right here. So after the market had went to my 1 to 1, I put it at break even. Once the market had hit my 1 to 2, I put it at a 1 to 1 to at least make sure I come out of the market with something. I gotta practice this because once I get this thing funded, I'ma have to play my cards like this, because my problem is this trailing drawdown with this take profit trader account. I have to manage my trailing drawdown. So I think this is a very good idea. It's like I'm almost getting practice in, man. So I'm learning when to take profits and learning when to move. So I am sticking to that. Once I risk $120 or 180 and the market hits that 120 or 180, move my stop loss to break even. Once the market, if the market decides to go for a 1 to 2, which I double my money from 120 to 240 or from 180 to 360, move my stop loss to a 1 to 1 where I can make profit. I can make 120 or 180 and keep doing it like that, man. You know what I'm saying? Have that trailing stop loss. Once I make my money back, move it to break even. Once I double my money, move it to where I can make half of that. If it go to a 1 to 3, once I triple my money, move it to where I can make double my money. You know what I'm saying? I got to keep doing that. And I'm glad I'm doing this to practice when I get this trailing, once I get this account funded, you know what I'm saying? It's teaching me to take my profits with this trailing stop loss. This was a good trade, man. My initial thought was it was going to respect this trend line and stay up there. It had went up to $130 something, and I'm glad I got out because look what happened. The market just tanked, man. It's going to probably keep playing around like this. I'm done for the day. But I switched my bias so fast, man. I'm you know what I'm saying? I'm glad I am the way I am, and I'm not stubborn, and I'm not stuck up in my ways. No, the market finna keep going up. It's finna keep going up. Well, the market is telling me something otherwise. You know what I'm saying? Why don't I switch my bias and just take a chance and it play it out in my favor, man? I told myself, man, Corey, this market don't look like it want to go up, bro. It went up. It broke it barely. It broke structure. But man, it kept playing around this blue trend line way too long. I'm like, no, this don't look good. And I actually broke out. I moved my stop loss. Y'all saw it earlier in the video. I moved my stop loss and I ended up coming out with a $2 profit to cover taxes and commissions and stuff. I switched my bias so fast, man. I'm like, man, what ended up happening was the market came out of the trend line and then it went back up to retest the trend line and then it just went down. And I'm like, I'm finna get in on this because the market retests that blue trend line that I drew. And guys, perfect trade. I'm glad I took my profits right here. So I came out of the market with about $243. I took a 1 to 2. So I took double my money. When the market came to that 1 to 1, I put it at break even. When the market doubled my money, I put it at a 1 to 1. At least I could come out with half. The market kept playing down here with my 1 to 2. When I double my money, I said, you know what? I'm finna just take my profit. I'm taking double my money and I'm getting out. And I'm glad I did. So I took an extra $120. So I made $243. Had I left my stop loss right there, I would have came out of the market with only a $120. So I doubled my money, guys. Perfect trade, man, and a perfect job of switching my daggone bias, man. So now we have the account at $390, man. Yeah, I took a heavy trade on gold last night, and I took a heavy trade. Look at this. That would have came and stopped me out. This is why I'm glad I have a trailing stop loss. Look, that's crazy, man. That is bananas. Get your money and get out of the market, man. Boy, look at this. This is bananas, and that is crazy. Sorry, guys, I'm talking so long, man, and I'm letting the video just, you know what I'm saying, go so long, but I just want to give you guys my point of view and my analysis and how I think when I trade, man. Shout out again to somebody in the comments was like, man, show us more of this. Well, I am, man, and I don't have a camera no more. It was underwater in the basement, so I'm like, use your cell phone. So I'm like, you know what? I'm finna maximize this. I want to show people the goods and the bads of trading, man. This is what it's about. I'm glad I took my money, man. I took my money down here, $243. And then had I just tried to let it run, I would have been stopped out and made no money. Ridiculous. I made money. I'm done. Man, what a great trade, man. Hey, man. Guys, when you're trading, get your money and get out, man. And don't be greedy. Look at this, y'all. Ridiculous. I got my money and got out of there. That's crazy, man. But, yeah, guys, you see it, man. We made $95.50. We got all our money back and then some, man. So I'm fine with that. That's it for me. I'm not trading no more today. I'm not finna be greedy. We just gonna come back next week, man. That's it, guys. We made profit today, man. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos. And bang! Corey, the phone trader, got coming out, man. But hey, we ended the day great, man. Good trading today, man. Hopefully you guys were entertained. Hopefully you guys, you know what I'm saying, enjoyed my trading. You know what I'm saying. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm finna get out of here. I'm finna get something to eat, man. Yeah, man, you guys stay up. Keep God first, man. Make sure you read your word. I did not read my word this morning. I'm getting ready to read something now. I made a dedication to God that I'm going to read this word. Sorry the video is long, man, but hey, man, just want to give you guys my thought process and what I'm looking for, man. How I trade. This is how I trade, man, and that's just straight up analysis for you, man. You getting the good, the bad, and the ugly, man. And I want to keep it real, and I want to be honest. I don't want to be one of these fake gurus, y'all, man. I want to keep it 100. So peace, blessings, love, y'all. Until next time, man, y'all stay blessed. Keep your head up. Y'all know the motto after every video that I post. In 3, like I can't even count. Number 3, my lord. No. In 3, 2, 1. Y'all know the motto. I holla. Peace out, baby. Good trading today. Peace.